Okay, I will not be opening the circuit board up as that will violate my warranty, but I just wish to show you what's going on. So use your excellent piece of software here. See, I'm going to click that and it goes up and down. No problem. Going to click this tab. It maneuvers. Fine. Going to click here. Nothing. No X. That side. And even when I tell it to go home, it doesn't want to. I did that before. But yeah, as you can see, no matter what I click, it will not go left, will not go right. But that's the video you asked for. This does not move. And I've moved everything that I'm willing to in order to fix it. Thank you.